This is Naitagol community-based organization located in Kenya, Maasai Mara.
Okay, so as you can see, we are situated in the Maasai Mara. We are living in the outer convent of Naboisho conservancy. This is just one of the conservancies in the Mara. We are Naitagol community-based organization. So we are making an assessment of wetlands down here so that we are able to help this community. So what we are doing today here, we are identifying our water source, which is a wetland. It's a spring. We are trying to restore the spring so that the spring will help us and the women. Now in Maasai community, women are responsible for water fetching or fetching of water. So what happens is that during dry seasons like now and during the destruction of the wetlands, women suffer a lot because they walk longer distances, about 10 to 11 kilometers fetching water. But moving forward, one of the recommendations of Naitagol community-based organization we can make is that in case there is any well-wisher and an NPO who is out to help us to restore this wetland, these women will be one of the beneficiaries because women will be empowered. Women will be, of course, will not walk longer distances as opposed to during wet and dry seasons. We are also living at an outer core of any government benefit because we don't get any government funding in terms of equalization funds. They are not here. There is a lot of need for capacity building and empowerment, especially for women and youth down here in the Mara. So Naitagol community is becoming one of the non-governmental organization or CBOs, local CBOs, run by locals, where locals understand their local problems and therefore local problems will need local solutions. And this one comes out with the local people. That's why you can see the old mamas here, the mothers who are trying to fetch water. There is a lot of scramble here, where they scramble for water, both with domestic animals, with wild animals at night, and humans themselves. So a general objective that drives us here, we are trying to balance between population health and environment. And in case there is such a conflict, then it is the locals that need to come up and solve such problems. So Naitagol community-based organization are really working for that.
Naitagol community, we need